Okay, so I've had to change names twice now. When I got married, it seemed simple enough, but it just took such a long time to get it all done. This time I thought I'd try a name change kit, and I decided to try a few and see if they're useful or not. So if you're wondering what these kits are all about, I hope this video will really help you. So I bought kits from 3 different places, and I found the best kit was from Easy Name Change. The instructions for each company were spot on. Each form had been filled out for me. All up, I had 32 companies and I sent out 19 letters. That was definitely the most time-saving part. I probably saved a whole day because every form, letter, link, email, phone number was right there, and all I had to do was send letters or sign into a few accounts online. So it really saved a lot of time on the phone. It turns out none of the name change kits can help with your ID, like your driver's license or passport. I also had to go into my bank, which makes sense because you really don't want anyone else to be able to change your bank account information. So I hope this video helps you. If you have a few places where you need to change names, it's really worth spending the $30. Good luck with your name change.